Now whether the TDS certificates will be issued online, like what we are getting now 16 form is there, 16A, or whether you have to issue them manually, that has not come out, but I think it will be definitely online only. Let's see what happens.
It should be issued to the government.
No, tax paid. Within 5 days of crediting the amount so deducted to the approved. So you have to pay the tax to the government and thereafter you issue the TDS certificate. Means by 15th you have to issue the certificate. By 10th you have to pay the tax, and by 15th. If you pay on 5th, then by 10th you have to issue the certificate.
Right now in TDS what happens is sometimes the collections fail in the TDS returns. So is there a
Returns is subsequent. Return is subsequent. This is certificate to be issued to a deductee. Penalty for non-furnishing of TDS certification time. If you don't issue within 5 days, then 100 rupees per day, maximum 5,000 rupees. Now, एक certificate का 5,000 लग गया तो सोचो आप क्या होता है. So you have to be very careful now because penalties are huge, and with all penalties are there is no concession, there is no remission is granted. It's all automatic. So I think in their issue you have to be very careful.
Non-applicable also.
Yes, yes, non-applicable. Tax credit, Tax credit, deductee shall claim the credit in his ECL of TDS and reflected in turnover of the deductor. As I said, it will go to his ECL. No refund to deductor. No refund to deductor shall be granted if the amount deducted has been credited to the ECL of the deductee. Once you have deducted the tax, which is more, then it has to go to that person. Because he will get the credit. You cannot ask for the refund. So that they are clearly said. Only if he has not got the credit, the deductee has not got the credit, then only the refund will be allowed. Otherwise it will not be allowed. Tax collection at source. TCS provision, as I said, TDS, RCM is already there, TDS and TCS. TCS provision is applicable only to e-commerce operator. So who is eligible to collect any amount by way of tax? Every electronic commerce operator ECO shall at the time of credit of amount to the account of supplier or payment of amount in cash or otherwise, whichever is available. So all electronic commerce operators, Flipkart, Amazon, Shopclues, whomsoever, they have to deduct the tax from the suppliers and pay to the government. Now who is the ECO? Electronic commerce operator shall include every person who directly or indirectly owns, operates or manages an electronic platform that is engaged in facilitating the supply of goods and services or in providing any information or any other services incidental to or in connection with, but shall not include persons engaged in supply of such goods or services on their own behalf. So if any person who is having his shop plus he is selling online, he will not be treated as electronic commerce. It will only like to explain all these things who are doing the agency business. They will be considered as the ECO.
this could be resident or non-resident? This could be resident or non-resident?
Non-resident anyway will not come into picture. He is sitting outside. So suppliers will be liable. Suppliers anyway has to get registered. Without registering here, can you operate? No, I am asking you. Since you have raised the question.
The service tax has just been right now introduced for these foreign operators. Till now it wasn't there. Now, but how do you?
Can an electronic commerce operator can operate in India without registering in India?
All the Android apps which we are buying.
I don't think so. Amount of tax, such notified rate has to be prescribed out of the amount payable or paid by the supplier. So they will define what is the rate of to be applied for the deduction, for the collection. Time of deposit of tax, ECO has to deposit tax within 10 days after the end of the month in which such collection is done. So he has to collect from the party and deposit to the government within 10 days. Statement of outward supplies, he has to file the statement of outward supplies. ECO have to submit statement of outward supplies effected during calendar month in form GSTR 8 within 10 days after the end of such calendar month. So within 10 days he has to pay the tax. And within next 10 days, by the same 10 days, he has to again file the statement of outward supplies also. So that the other person will get the credit of this amount. Tax credit. Supplier will be eligible to claim the tax credit in his ECL, electronic cash ledger, of the TCS on the basis of return filed by the ECO. matching of supplies. Suppliers return would be matched with the statement of outward supplies filed by the ECO for the each month. There is a lot of matching is happening. Lot of matching because your ITC is matched, your credit is matched, your TDS is matched, your RCM also will be matched. So supplier return will be matched with the statement of outward supplies filed by ECO for each month. If there is any mismatch, discrepancy shall be communicated to both the parties. If suppliers do not rectify the valid return based on the discrepancies communicated, such value would be added to the output liability of supplier. So if the ECO shows that this much amount is collected from the supplier and paid to the government, and that supplier doesn't show that as a supplier, then he has to add that. It has to be. The electronic commerce operator has to be very sure while filing his returns. Because even if you put a wrong number, that person has to pay. And all rectification for ECO is not given. Rectification is to be done by the supplier, not by the ECO. This is going to create, because everything is done through system. There is no manual hand is there. Liability of supplier, supplier would be liable to pay tax on the amounts you added along with interest. The interest would be calculated from the date of such tax was due till the date of its payment. So that is there. The ECO has to furnish the information. Any authority not below the rank of Joint Commissioner may, by notice, either before or during the course of any proceeding under this Act, require ECO to furnish details of supplies effected through ECO during the period, stock goods held by the suppliers who supplies through ECO. He has to supply the information within 5 working days of service of notice. If service is not furnished within 5 working days, now here there is no common working days. It's a 5 working days. Non-formation is to attract penalty of 20,000 rupees. This is the what I think grow GST is all about. It's a grow and share together. See, nobody becomes poor by giving, but everybody becomes richer by sharing. The whole objective is to share the views, because this is untested platform. We don't know what will happen. So something might have been missed out because registration and all these things. Only when you do the actual registration, then the problems will start. So thank you very much for patience listening. If you have any query on this, you can go ahead. Thank you.
Friends, you will all agree that it was an absolutely lively session where there was communication two-way. He took us through the provisions of very practically telling you the nitty-gritties of the problems which you're going to face and the places where you will face the problem. He has taken through the TDS, TCS provisions also. Friends, I would request all of you to please put your hands together for a loud round of applause for Mr. Bharat. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
We break for the snack. We'll reassemble in 15 minutes.
Different